All right, I'm having enchiladas tonight. I already grated me some cheese. I made me some guacamole. And have a little bit of that taco meat left over. So I'm going to make beef enchiladas and then cheese if I don't have enough. Freshly grated cheese. There's that taco meat. So I don't have a whole lot. Maybe one enchilada, one beef, and one cheese. Yeah. I'm opening this can of enchilada sauce with my can opener. And I thought, I never went to the kitchen store to look for can opener and a pizza cutter. Yeah, maybe I'll do that in the morning. All right. I am gonna, and in the morning, I won't use all this today, so I'm gonna probably have chilaquiles tomorrow for breakfast. That looks good. I have to say that the Mexican food place that we went and ate yesterday, their tortillas were not soft enough. I love my tortillas to be really soft. And it was like they were just warmed up and rolled. And they didn't have enough sauce on their enchiladas. Yeah. I want my enchiladas saucy. I almost forgot. I do like their salsa though. So I'm going to add a little bit of their salsa to my enchiladas. And this is mostly the hot. They give you a mild sauce and a hot one. So whatever was left over, the mild one I put in the hot one. So y'all have seen me make my own enchilada sauce with just spices. I like it better than this red out of the can. Not saying this is bad. I'm just saying better. These are so easy. I can see me having these once a week. So they're going to be on my meal plan every week. Enchiladas. Good morning. It is 7 o'clock. Why am I out? Oop. Supposedly the hot air balloons are going to be a few of them take off this morning at 7. I don't see anything up in the air just yet, but I'm going to drive over there and see if they're going to fly. It's not windy, so looks like a perfect day to fly. So, nothing in the sky yet. So let's go see if they're going to take off today. I just saw on the sign it's the 15th and 16th. Today's the 14th. But I saw on the Facebook thing that it said 10 hours ago, so that'd have been last night, said tomorrow a few will. So maybe they're doing a few today. Yeah. Let's go check it out. Well, they're not. I don't see any hot air balloons out. So 7 o'clock is not the time that they're taking off, that's for sure. Huh. Well, maybe I'll go eat breakfast and come back. Pretty view though. So this is the brewery, which I've never been to. This is where the balloons are gonna launch from. Let's see, do I want to go cook breakfast or do I want to go to Golden Eagle and eat? Decisions. think I decided I'm gonna go home and cook me a chilaquiles because today is also the flea market at Golden Eagle RV Park, so there might not be very much parking, so I think I will just go home and do what I was planning on doing, chilaquiles. I forgot to put my green chilies on there, so I'm just gonna, I'll just cut them up, but I want some green chilies. Did I mention everywhere I go to look, they only have extra hot and hot? Yesterday at Albertsons, they only had extra hot. And I was like, I think it was extra hot. Anyway, they don't have mild. And I've been down that road before. Alright, let's put the lid back on. Alright. I think I cooked them a little too long. I like my chips a little crunchy. But I forgot those green chilies and I really wanted those. So, trade off. Hey, there's 2 balloons. I need to go back over there. There's one. I wonder if they're going to fly this way, though. It's the other one. There's 5 of them up now. Yeah, maybe we should take a ride. I guess they're coming back down. There's one way up there. Well, that one's coming down fast. He says, I'm ready to land. I'm cooking some chicken in the air fryer this evening when my work schedule is over. So I'm making mashed potatoes and country gravy. I usually make brown gravy, but I have this packet, so I'm going to use it. So there's my mashed potatoes. Homemade? No, they are not homemade. So we dare go in again and see if we can't find anything. Alright, I finally bought something. Books. Can't go in there without looking at books, but they had a new, like, not a shipment, but it was like 5 or 6 containers of newer books. Some good ones, but I didn't buy all of them, obviously. So I did buy John Steinbeck's Cannery Row. I've read, what, 2 or 3 of his, and I really like him. It's crazy. I actually like classics. Yeah. So I read, I can't think of the name of it now. Anyway, I got that one, and I've started this book once before. I think I have it on the Kindle, The Power of Now. And I just don't like the Kindle. And I think I quit reading because I don't like the Kindles. So, anyway, I think I've started this, or maybe I have it on Audible. And I didn't like the reading of the Audible. So, but anyway, I had to get back. It's 12:30. I got to work in one hour. Nope, 30 minutes. But I'll get ready and then go on in. So I got to get Sam and get my laptop. Get something to take my, I think I'll take some crackers and that seafood salad. And come back later for the mashed potatoes, the gravy, and the chicken, and my air fryer. And at 4 o'clock cook me some chicken. That's looking good. Oh yeah. I just checked the temperature too. They're good. Mashed potatoes and gravy? Oh, yeah. For breakfast this morning, I'm having an egg with turmeric, pepper, salt. The rest of the bacon I pulled out of the freezer. Good morning. Good morning, prairie dog. Yeah. Glad the weather's good so they can fly today. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's what I see. There may be more. I just can't see them over that hill.